Samachir Max, exercise 1.5, sixth sum. A is equal to x such that x is equal to 6 and n belongs to W and n is less than 6. B is equal to x such that x is equal to 2n, n belongs to n and 2 less than n less than or equal to 9. C is given as C x such that x is equal to 3n, n belongs to n and 4 less than or equal to n less than 10. Find A minus B intersection C is equal to A minus B union A minus C. So first here you have to find out A, B and C are given in cell builder form. You have to bring out the elements and write it in tabular form. So you have to bring out the elements. So first you take up what is A. A is given as x is equal to 6n. A you are going to find out. X is equal to 6n. N belongs to W and n less than 6. So your first step is you have to find out what is n values. So n is a whole number. So whole number starts with 0. All of you know that. N starts with 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you leave out 6 because its n is less than 6. So 6 has not to, it should not be included. So you have n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, substitute all the values of n in this x is equal to 6n so that you can find out what are the values of a. So n values have to be substituted here in x is equal to 6n to get what is a. So first you take up x is equal to 6 into 0. It is equal to 0. Next is equal to x is equal to 6 into 1. It is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 into 2 is equal to 12. X is equal to 6 into 3 is equal to 18. Next x is equal to 6 into 4. Substitute all the values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 in the place of n. It is equal to 24. X is equal to 6 into 5 is equal to 30. Therefore, your A is equal to what? 0, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. 18, 24, 30. So, this is what is your A. Next, you have to find out what is B. B is equal to, it is given, x is equal to 2n. N belongs to n, capital N, that is natural numbers. And 2 less than n less than or equal to 9. This is your A value. So, first write what is n. What are the n values of n? N is greater than 2. So, greater than 2 means 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 also can be written because less than or equal to 9 is given. So, 9 also will be included. So, this is value for n. N is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, substitute here. X is equal to 2 into first 3 you substitute. It is equal to 6. X is equal to 2 into 4. It is equal to 8. X is equal to 2 into 5. It is equal to 10. X is equal to 2 into 6. It is equal to 12. X is equal to 2 into 7. It is equal to 14. So, up to 9 you have to substitute. So, x is equal to 2 into 8 is equal to 16. X is equal to 2 into 9 is equal to 18. So, what is your B now? B is equal to 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Next, you have to find out for C. C is given as x such that x is equal to 3n and n belongs to n, 4 less than or equal to n less than 10. Okay, so you have here x is equal to 3n, n belongs to n, 4 less than or equal to n less than 10. So, your n values are n is greater than or equal to 4. So, 4 has to be included. Next is 5, 6, 7 up to 10, 8, 9. So, less than 10, so 10 should not be written. So, it is x is less than 10. So, stop with 9 itself. Now, you substitute here. X is equal to 3 into 4. It is equal to what? 12. X is equal to 3 into 5 is equal to 15. X is equal to 3 into 6. X is equal to 3 into 7. X is equal to 3 into 8. X is equal to 3 into 9. So, 3 6 are 18. 3 7s are 21. 3 8s are 24. It is equal to 27. So, what is your C now? 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. So, these are the values of C. Now, they have asked you to find out A minus B intersection C is equal to A minus B union A minus C. So, first find out your left hand side. Left hand side means you have to find out A minus B intersection C. So first find out what is B intersection C. It is equal to, write B values. B value is what? 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Intersection, what is your C now? C is 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. So intersection means, so I have written what is B and C. So it is equal to, intersection means you know what are common to both. So what is common? 6 you don't have, 8 you don't have, 12. 12 is there common in both. So 12 and 18. Here 14 and 16 you don't have, only 18, 16 and, 12 and 18 you have. So B intersection C is 12 and 18. So A minus B intersection C means, what is your A here? You have found out A as 0, 6, 12. 0, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Minus 12 and 18. So common values you will cancel. Rest of the values of A you will write. So 0, 6, 24, 30. So this is your A minus B intersection C. 0, 6, 24 and 30. Next you can come to right hand side. Right hand side you have to find out A minus B. So A minus B is equal to, write what is your A. First find out, right hand side is A minus B union A minus C. So first find out A minus B, then you will find out A minus C, then you will find the union. So A minus B is equal to, A values you write. A value is 0, 6, 12. Here you have A. 12, 18, 24, 30. Minus B value. B value is 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. So minus means you know common values have to be cancelled and write the values of the first one A. So cancel means 6 is getting cancelled, common values. 12 is getting cancelled, 18 can cancel off. So what are left out? 0, 24 and 30. Left out values of A alone you have to write. 0, 24 and 30. Next you find out what is A minus C. It is equal to, A is 0, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Minus your C value is, C you have here, 12, 15, 18, 24, 27. So which are the values common to both? 12 is common, 18 is common, 24 is common. So what is left out? B, 0, 6 and 30. So next step is you have to find out A minus B union A minus C. That is all the elements of A minus B and A minus C without repetition. So you have 0, you just repeated in both, so write once, then 6, 24 and 30. So both are same. This is your first one, this is your second one. Both the values are same. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence proved. Okay.